Dear students, I hope you are very very aware. I am very very aware. So the online we are going to show the online class. Our topic is narrations. The online class topics is narrations. Everybody follow the narrations systems. That's the online class. So now we are going to I read out this passage narrations. So everybody have to follow this. Read out. I read out you about you. The teacher said to the boy, "Do you think that honesty is the best policy?" The boy said, "Yes, sir, I think so." Then learn to be honest from your boyhood, said the teacher. "Thank you, sir," said the boy. The teacher said to the boy, "This part is reporting verb. Do you think that honesty is the best policy?" This part is reported space. We know the narration is two parts is the reporting verb and reported space. We have to follow the reported space. Which sentence is the reported space? The 5 kinds of sentence is made in reported space. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. You have to follow the 5 kinds of sentence. Otherwise, you do not realize the narrations. But the narration is no of 5 kinds of sentence. The sentence, "Do you think that honesty is the best policy?" This is interrogative sentence because this sentence is interrogative mark. So we understand this sentence is interrogative sentence. The boy said, reporting verb, and reporter said, "Yes, sir, I think so." This sentence is reported speech. Reported speech sentence is assertive sentence. Then learn to be honest from your boyhood. This sentence is imperative sentence. We know about imperative sentence: advice, to order, request, forbid, etc. We follow that this sentence is indicate as advice. So it is imperative sentence. Said the teacher, "Thank you, sir," said the boy. At first we change the narrations. The teacher said to the boy, "This reporting verb. The reporting verb is sense. Said to instead of I asked because we have to do narrations in indirect narrations. Then the sense is said to send reporting verb said to instead of asked because interrogative sentence asked mode is includes in the indirect narrations. So the teacher said to instead of asked the boy. A comma and inverted comma. Comma and inverted comma is deducted and to add if, because interrogative sentence sense interrogative sentence reported space sense at first to add if. When this is start at auxiliary verb. Or W's questions. If the sentence is started on W's questions, when if is not said. So when W's questions mark here in here set we have to write W's questions. No, if though it is whenever it is a do auxiliary verb, so we have to say it if. Now reported speech subject, first person reporting verb subject, and second person reporting verb object. Here you second person, so reporting verb object. Object the boy, third person, you sense third person he. In case of you, we have to include he. Think. The reporting verb first form, reporting speech first form. So think first form thought. That the others sentence, this others word we includes as honesty is the best policy. That honesty is the best policy. Full stop. So interrogative here I again said you with due to this sentence, the interrogative sentence, reporting verb sense asked, and comma inverted comma deducted to add if subject second person, so reporting verb subject, object third person, object as per object third person, you third person he, you in case of he, think in case of thought, because the reporting verb past form, reported speech past form, so think past form thought. That honesty the best policy. The another items is next sentence, the boy said, yes sir, I think so. Yes, when the sentence is the step yes, then I'm affirmative, reflect in the affirmative. We have to include reflect in the affirmative, and no reflect in the negative. As this sentence has yes, so it is reflect in the affirmative. Sir, if the sentence has sir instead of respectfully, when sir the manually it is respectfully, we have to include the indirect narrations. Then the boy said so. The boy respectfully sir, in case of respectfully, the boy say yes, reflect in the affirmative. The boy respectfully reflect in the affirmative. The boy respectfully replied in the affirmative. The next sentence is assertive sentence. So we have to add and said that. This sentence is assertive sentence. We have to include and said that. And said that. I, first person reporting verb subject the verb third person. I in case of he think in case of think instead of first form thought. So full stop. Then the boy respectfully replied in the affirmative and said that he thought so. Then learn to be honest from your boyhood, said the teacher. Now we have to include the reporting verb, the teacher. The teacher, now we have to write the teacher that is as the sentence is imperative sentence, so we have to add interrogative sentence advice. Reporting verb includes said instead of said, advice. Advised, and said in case of advised. So said first form, advised first form. Then the teacher advised the boy if as the sentence is imperative sentence, so imperative sentence is to the verb to start the sentence is started only the verb when we have to otherwise the let to add to let this sentence is that, but this is a verb to start the sentence is imperative sentence verb, so to add to and another part is from learn to be honest, from your second person in case of a reporting verb object. The sentence is object the boy, third person, your third person, his. His boyhood. Full stop. Thank you, sir, said the boy. The boy students, this narration is indicated thank you. The thank is include the narrations reporting verb. The sentences we have to include a reporting verb as per reporting verb thank. Now, sir, when the sentence is indicate sir, when we have to include respectfully. Now we are going to write the sentence as per respectfully. The boy respectfully thanked his teacher. The boy respectfully thanked the boy respectfully thanked the teacher, his teacher. This lesson again we have to I made this sentence of passive narrations. I made this passive narration. Now we are going to show again everybody follow this firstly. The teacher said to the boy, do you think that honesty is the best policy? This sentence is interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence reporting verb in case of asked. The teacher asked the boy to add if, because the sentence is auxiliary verb. The sentence start only auxiliary verb. Then if then the sentence is start only auxiliary verb to add the narrations, indirect narrations if. WS questions mode when in case of if WS questions, there auxiliary verb, so here include if. Subject reporting verb and reported space. Reported space subject, reporting verb reported is a subject or object. First person reporting verb is as per subject only, subject, and second person reporting verb as per reporting verb object. Though as you hence in you say second person, so reporting verb object as per reporting verb object. Object boy, third person, you third person he. Reporting verb said first form, thing instead of first form thought, because reporting verb first form, reporting space first form, thing in case of thought. That honestly the best policy. It is that morality universal truth. This universal truth language we can understand this universal truth is not sense in the narrations. It is a same sentence is only same quality. It is universal truth. It is not sense this narrations. Universal truth as per the truth. The second sentence, the boy said, "Yes, sir, I think so." I think so. This sentence is assertive sentence. So, assertive sentence is said or told. This sentence is yes or yes or so. It is a replied. So again, the interrogative sentence. If do auxiliary verb. This sentence is a start auxiliary verb. So in case of do directed and you to add if, you in case of he, because you second person, the reporting verb third person. So here you in case of he, because third person, you third person he. Think instead of thought. Think to thought, reporting verb first form. First form said to first form think, first form thought. Universal truth. This sentence is universal truth. It is not sense of indirect narrations. So it is not sense. That honestly the best policy. The next sentence, sir. When the sentence is has to sir, we have to include respectfully to respect the sir. So sir in case of sir respectfully, and yes when the sentence is yes yes I will understand when the sentence is yes reflecting the affirmative, no reflecting the negative. This sentence has yes. So here we indicate and reply in the affirmative. We have to write in reply in the affirmative and say that the sentence is assertive sentence and said that interrogative sentence and asked. Interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and advised, order, request, forbid. And exclamatory sentence, if the sentence is, if the sentence understands is joy, then exclaim with joy, or sorrow, exclaim with sorrow. The sentence is assertive sentence, so, and said that. And said that I second person, I first person. So reporting verb subject, the boy, third person. I in case of he, this is third person. Think first form thought. So full stop. Then learn to be honest from your boyhood. This sentence is imperative sentence. So I say you. I want to say you again. The previous times, in the previous times, I say you. I say you the when imperative sentence advice advised. This sentence is learn to be honest from your boyhood. So then the teacher advised the boy. Said to in case of advice. Said to in case of advice. Here it is advised from or advice mode. So to add to, because this is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence to include to advise or order, request, forbid. It is in we have to write in the to. Another this sentence is to expect to late. This add to late. The sentence start late when we have to write that. Though that is not. It's not needed. It's not no. It is a perfect. That's it is appropriate to because it is advised. Advised, so it is to add to. And another learn to is not sense. To after the verb is not sense. So learn not be sense. To be honest from his your second person recording verb object the boy, third person, so your third person is boyhood. Thank you, sir. Say the boy respect the teachers. So sir means we respond to your manual. It is respectfully. The boy respectfully thank reporting verb. Thank reporting verb. We understand this thank indirect actions to write down thank. So the teacher the boy respectfully thank his teacher. The we sentence follow the students. Students respected his teachers. So the boy respectfully thanked his teacher.